Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about substitution for definite integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from -1 to 0 of an 18x squared times 3x to the third power plus 3 all squared dx. And we're given a u value of 3x to the third power plus 3. And we need to evaluate this definite integral. Well, we have a u value right here, so let's go find my du value. The derivative of 3x to the third plus 3 is, well, 3 comes down, multiplies by 3 is a 9. 9x squared dx. Don't worry about the plus 3 there. So we have a 9x squared dx. Let's see how this can be written in terms of u and du. Well, right here, we see my u value pretty clearly. My du is pretty close. We have an x squared, we have a dx, but we have the 18 instead of a 9. 18 breaks down to be 2 times 9, and there we have our dx, or du value. 9x squared dx is my du value right there. So let's go write this in terms of u. Now, I'm not going to include my bounds yet. We have a 2 left over times a u squared du. Not too bad. But notice I didn't write my bounds down here from -1 to 0. And that's because these bounds are in terms of x. We need to write them in terms of u. So we take what we know to be u, and let's plug in our values, -1 and for x, to get it in terms of u. So 3 times -1 to the third power plus 3, and that comes out to be a, well, 0, right? And -1 times the third power is -1 times 3 is -3 plus 3, 0. U squared, same thing, 3 goes in. We have 0 as the upper bound, 0 to the third power plus 3, and that comes out to be 3. So we have our integral now from 0 to 3. And so now we have the integral from 0 to 3 of 2u squared du. So let's go find this. Well, the integral here of 2u squared is a 2u to the third power over 3. And we're integrating this from 0 to 3. Well, our rules state we plug in 3 first, and then subtract when we plug in 0. So we have 2 times 3 to the third power over 3 minus 2 times 3 to, not 3, got ahead of myself, or behind myself. Plug in 0 now, 2 times 0 to the third power over 3, and let's go subtract that. This comes out to be an 18 minus a 0. Right, this first part becomes 18, this part becomes a 0, 18 minus 0 is 18. And there we have it, right there. Our integral now, in terms of u, came out to be a final answer of 18. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.